Alright, well, I just finished painting mirrors and painting grill, and I'll just make a video where I can include my exhaust again. That's a charcoal metallic finish. First time I ever seen it was Rust-Oleum color. There's the whole front end. If I can get it where you can see the metallic, there it is. Painted the headlight rings, the grill, and all that. Got my big horns, side exit. Here's my new rims. I'm hoping to get them put sometime next week. 15 by 10. I don't really know what kind they are. My buddy had them. He didn't like them, so I got them off of him for pretty cheap. They look a lot like the factory Alcoas that came on some of these trucks. Pretty anxious to get them put on. Truck ain't been washed in a while. Kind of need to get that taken care of. I'll give y'all exhaust. Why not? And well, there it is. That's my 96. I don't know if you can hear or not, but she's kind of begging for a valve job. One day that'll happen. Alright, later.